Hello everyone, thank you for your purchase of Tweet Dominator. Today I'm going to show you how to set up the files and how to use the bot. Here's where your accounts will go. You'll have to have them in a .cvs file, which stands for comma separated value. This is basically an Excel file, but you don't have to have Excel. Let's see, where do I have it? There. You'll have to have one account on each line, the username, a colon, and then the password. And you can have as many accounts in this file as you would like. And then you load them there. And then the keywords file is a text file. All the files that you need will be in the download. You just edit them in Notepad. You can put one keyword on each line, and you can have as many keywords as you would like in here. And then you load them there. And the comments file is also a text file. Then you'd want one comment on each line, and you can have as many as you would like. And then you load them there. For proxies, if you're only planning on using the bot for one account and one account only, then you won't need proxies. But if you're planning on using it for multiple accounts, then you will need to purchase some private proxies, which I can tell you a good place for them is ask me on my support desk. This is the proxy file, which is also a .cvs file. When you get your private proxies, you want to have the IP, colon, port, colon, username, colon, password. And then you can have one on each line. And then you load them there. Excuse me, sorry about that. The bot will auto-follow, auto-like, auto-subscribe, comment, and unfollow. This is your wait time that it'll wait between follows or likes or whatever you would like. I'll just use 0 for now. Once you have everything set up, you just click log in. It'll take a second. It's clearing the cookies and the cache. And then it will log you in. My proxies are running a little slow today, so it's taking a little longer. This is how the bot works. If you want to follow, let's say 100 people, you would put 100 there. You would click this button, and then click run. If you're using multiple accounts in the file, what it will do, well, let me say this first. This would be 100 follows for each keyword that are in this list. So there's 3 keywords in there, so I would end up following 300 people. Once it gets done following those 300 people, if you have more accounts in this file than just one, it will switch to the next account and then follow 300 more people on that account, and then keep going, switching to the next and the next and the next and the next account in the file. But if you just have one, it will follow 300 people, then it will tell you it's done. And each one of these work exactly the same. So that's why I call it, it's a multi-account bot. Let's say you had 1,000 accounts in here, you just put your number here, check this, click run, and it would follow on every single one of those accounts until it was done. Same with the likes, subscribes, comments, and unfollows. So all you do is hit run. All these work the same. You just, if you want to like, you just do that. If, let's say you can't check all these at once and put numbers in all of them, because it won't work. You can only do one of these at a time. If you wanted to subscribe, you would check the on-off button here, which when it's clicked, it's on. And then same here. And then you turn that off if you don't want to use that. If you want to unfollow people, you do the same thing. Well, actually, this one doesn't work exactly the same. What say if you put 2,000 in here and you want to, that means you want to unfollow 2,000 people, then it would unfollow. Yeah, it does. It would unfollow those 2,000 people, and then it would switch to the next account and unfollow another 2,000 people. Um, if you want to switch accounts automatically, or if you want to switch accounts manual, I mean, you would just see how it says login next here. You would just click it again. It'll automatically log you out of this account and then log you into the next account in the file. There we go. This reset button here I'll show you real quick. Let's do follows. Right now we're logged into the second account that's in this list here. If I press reset, it will clear this stuff out. There's numbers here. It'll clear them out. It'll reset the proxy back to the first item in the list and reset the accounts back to the first one in the list. And then if I press login, it would log into the first account. So say if you're 5 or 6 accounts down and you want to go back and log into the first one, just click reset. It'll reset everything, and then you can log back into the first account. Hope that's not confusing. And that's pretty much it. Just make sure, just remember you can't do all these at once. That's one at a time. Then after you check that and put your number in the box, you have to hit run. All right, thank you very much, and thank you for your purchase.